products and everything. So welcome, feel free. This is home. God bless each and every one of you. So thank you very much. Let us interact and make this session today. I also want to recognize people who are watching from Kenya. I know we have other people following us from other countries, so you're welcome. You can chat us and send your comments. I believe we've already shared our platform, the chats, and all communication on how you're going to reach us. So welcome, feel free, and we love you. So God bless you. Thank you very much, Chair, for inviting me to come and say something. I'll be talking later.
Karibu sana. Kindly, we'll have to play the national anthem for our country and then the host country. Can we stand up for the national anthem, please? Thank you. First, before we start, we are running late. I think we were supposed to start at 0930 a.m., but now we started, I think, 2 hours late. So we'll be shortening most of the things. I think all members, you are aware, all the minutes have been sent out, and the program was sent out earlier. We have also sent all out the reports to our members. You can go through the reports. And as always, if you have any questions, please post them. For those who are online, post them on the chat. We'll respond as required, compile them, and then send back to the members. We will not be having time to maybe respond to most of the questions here, because remember, we have a limited time. If we have over 300, close to 400 members, for us to respond to each question for 400 members, it will require us to have maybe 2 days for us to do this. So that's why it is you post your questions there, and if you have a question you are in here, you can have it. The secretaries here will note all the questions, and then we can respond later and then send it back to you as members. Our heroes, I see the veterans at the back there, the active duty members, we recognize you. Thank you for your service. Do we have any other veterans in the house here? I think we have a couple of them with the members here. We thank you and we honor you for your service for this country, our great country too. For a start, we will have to conduct the business of the day, usually, and then we'll have speakers come in. But I'll have Madam CEO learn through the program, and then we can start. Thank you.
And, I want to call the secretary. Just a second. Hear me? Yes, let me call the secretary to come and open the meeting and proceed to give us the minutes so that we can proceed to confirm them.
Thank you, Madam CEO. Thank you, Chairman, and the board members who are here, committee members, and all members who are present and online. We appreciate your time to be with us. And first, a notice was sent to the ministry to conduct this AGM today, and it was approved. And we have several members joined online, and we have present members here. So when I look at it, I think we consider them to continue with our business of the day. And as the chairman has said, the program is really tight because we've started late. Those who have questions, please just send them the chat, the forum, so I can compile them and present the board to answer questions and anything you may have concern with. I think that's it, Madam CEO. That's it.
We are buying time to get the ministry to come online. They have not joined us yet because we can't conduct the business without having officials from the ministry. And the treasurer is liaising with them in Kenya. So once the commission and the ministry officials comes online, then we can start conducting the official business of making the amendments, doing the elections before we start the speeches. We give us a few minutes. Before 10, can I have all the founders here, please? The founders of the Grand Ghana Diaspora, Madam Lillian, Madam Emily, Dr. Jake, the secretary, if you can go ahead, because we're waiting for the rest to come on and do the approvals of the minutes of the previous AGM 2022. They have given us.
Okay. We were waiting for an okay from the ministry to be present, and the word is from the CEO that they've given us an okay. So the minutes were sent out there in the report charts, and we just wanted members to read them, and anybody who has a question you can raise, and for the sake of time, I think you can go through them, and we just wanted anybody to have a question about them. No question? Okay. Anybody to approve the minutes? Thank you. And any seconder? Thank you. I think that's it. Thank you, Chairman.
Thank you, Madam Secretary. The minutes remain approved. If there's no other question, we'll go once, twice, or three, so the minutes is approved. Ladies and gentlemen, our sponsors and our guests who are here, those who are joining us online, we are the fruit of 2023, though we had an issue with COVID-19 that slowed down some things, the economy downfall, but we have been going on a trajectory of a good percentage, probably greater than 20 from where we were previously. 2024. Allow me to highlight specific areas where we did very well, those areas where we had shortcomings, and what we can do for us in the future. The proposal from the management for what we can do in future. 2024 membership, 2022 membership of the SACCO, and allow me, because some of us are between the investment and the SACCO. So once I highlight the SACCO, I will also combine with the investment for the sake of time, so that we can have because most of them are similar other than a difference in the SACCO. For members who don't know, the SACCO changed the session where now we are totally coming in COSARA that regulates SACCOs, and therefore SACCOs were now separated from doing high risk investments. You know, previously when you were in a SACCO could take money in real estate,